Alright, in this video we're going to show you, because this is the R33 transmission. It's electronic, obviously. There's a plug. This is actually a cable drive speedo from an R32 GTR. But you can see they're not long enough. Like, that's pretty close. So I mean, some people say you can swap gears, but then you've got you know, about half an inch there hanging out that there's nothing in. So they say to get, I'm going to say Navario or something. Anyways, this is the part number. It's called a Nissan Speedo Pinion Assembly. And there's the number right from Nissan. Now, we already opened it here. It's really nice. The guy I got it from shipped it really quick. And as you can see, it's cable drive, brand new, nice and gooped up. And it's the same, well, let's see here, same length. So, the joy of this, it's only held on with a C-clip, but you can see it's also in the shape of a D. This one, you have to cut it off. There's no clip. So you just take like a Dremel, you cut a line down each side very carefully, try to break the pieces off, which we're going to show you. And then this one should just slide off, and we're going to see if it'll, obviously this one won't be the shape of a D. So we might have to find a drill bit the same size as the shaft, or maybe a little smaller, and just drill it out. And then we'll press it on there, and then we'll be able to switch it from electric to speed or to cable. So I don't know how some people say you can use the GTR one. I bought it because of that, and I'm obviously going to go this way because it's the same length. Makes me feel a bit safer so that this doesn't break off and fall in my transmission. Anyways, we're going to continue. So once you pull that little clip off the end, right off the end here, then this just slides right off. So this is the gear that you need, and it is. It's shaped like a D. Oh no, circle, it's just a D at the end. Okay, so we might only have to drill out that little piece, because, well, maybe when we cut the other one off it might be cut. So we'll find that out, but that's how you remove that. You need this gear. This is the gear that you have to put on the other one. Okay, so I'm just doing it in like a line. It's not really focusing. I'm just cutting a line. I'm going to cut a line across the end. You gotta be careful because there's metal, right? And I'm just gonna flip it and cut a line across the bottom. And maybe see if we can separate the two pieces off. But I'm just using a Dremel with a cut-off disc, and just slowly cutting a line back and forth, cutting a line a little deeper, and it should soon come off. We got to get the other line on the other side. Okay, so just to let you know, this does not come off easy. Here in focus. Come on. So you gotta literally just keep cutting at it to get it off. This is a splined end. Just lightly melting, cutting away. Anyways, we've got about half done, maybe a little bit more, kinda. Anyways, we're just carrying on. I had to change bits. Okay, so here's what I've got done. I've grinded it all off. It actually took about half an hour, 20 minutes or so. But it's off. And obviously it's not a D. Let's just focus better. Anyways, it is splined. Anyways, it came off pretty nice. Still spins, which is good. Anyways, now we're going to install the gear from the R33 electric drive. Okay, so this is the gear. I drilled it out. There's still a little piece in the end there. Right up here, we're just going to cut that a little bit with a knife. Anyways, this should just slide right on with a little bit of force, because that doesn't make sense, but we might even put some super glue in there just to help hold it. So, we use the old trusty rubber mallet. You know, we just give it a little tapped it on. Just tapped it on there. Anyways, it's on there. That's how you make it so that you can still run your cable drive on an R33 transmission in an R32 Skyline. I hope that helped everybody out. Well, I guess we still got to put it in. We could add that too. Just screw the cable on, but the other difference is this one has the line cut here, and on the electronic one it's cut on the other side. So either I was thinking of somehow cutting a groove into this side, and then I could just use the little clip that's normally holding it in, or I got to make a bracket that goes around and holds it from the other side to stop it from coming back out. So we'll just leave that open for now. Okay, so here's the new speedo. This is a finger off a glove to keep the grindings out. This is the side that it comes with the notch. What I did is I cut another notch on the other side because it's on the wrong side. So I just used my Dremel and kind of cut a notch away. Alright, you can see it kind of better there. And I just put a glove over the end to keep the filings out. We'll spray this, clean it off, and we're going to install it in the car. So, this is under the car. Get the light right. Speedo drive pushes in there. You can see the little bracket I made fits in there, and then obviously you screw in your speedometer cable into it, and yeah, that's how you modify the R33 transmission for the R32 Speedo. Hope that helps you guys.